Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear cache in Google Chrome in a very simple way. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once it opens, go to the top right corner and click on the three dots. A menu will appear on your screen. From this menu, scroll down and click on Settings. Now inside the Settings page, look for the option called Privacy and Security and click on it. Under the Privacy and Security section, you'll see an option called Clear Browsing Data. Click on it. A new window will open. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu where the time range is selected, usually set to last 24 hours. Click on this drop-down and change it to all time so that all cache data is removed. Now make sure the Cached Images and Files option is checked. After that, click on the Clear Data button. Wait for a few seconds, and your browser cache will be completely cleared. And that's it. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, then subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any new updates.